In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off Pro features in Capcut. So first of all, on my Capcut application, if you tap on your profile icon, which is present at the bottom right corner of your screen, you will see the option that says Capcut Pro. So from here, as you can see, I have not bought the Pro features of Capcut. But in your case, if you want to turn it off, the method is still the same. So first of all, what you have to do is that close your Capcut application. Then open up your iPhone settings. On your iPhone settings, you have to tap on your profile, which is present right below the search bar. So now on your profile, what you have to do is that you very simply have to tap on subscriptions. On subscriptions, you will be able to see your Capcut application. So from there, you very simply have to turn off the option that says renewable receipts, and you will be able to easily turn off Pro features in Capcut. So everyone, that's pretty much all for today's video. Consider subscribing to our channel for more informative videos in the future. Until then, stay safe.